My name is Yemi and I'll be giving the introduction to the project. Based on reports from the United States National Center for Health Studies, about 50,000 amputations take place yearly. Most of these amputations are partial amputations, which basically are the loss of fingers or the palm. About 60,000 people yearly lose their limbs to partial amputations. The second most common form of amputation is the loss of an arm, and statistically, about 25,000 people yearly lose an arm or both arms in the United States. With about 41,000 registered amputees in the United States, we see that about 60% of the 41,000 are within the ages of 21 and 64. About 10% of the 41,000 are below the age of 21 years. At such a young age, the loss of an arm may cause an hindrance to the victim's educational aspirations and goals. Our group chose to research a new, innovative, functional, and cost-effective solution which will help the amputees perform basic functions such as writing in school. Damn, how do you stop this name?
Hi, I'm Oluwafeyikemi, and I'm here to discuss the design process of the helping hand. For us to create an effective prototype to help those who are one-handed, we need something cheap, but most importantly productive and practical. We looked into making an advanced electronized prosthesis with myoelectric limbs and electrical signals, but that surpasses our funds and also our mental capacities at the moment. Alas, the helping hand. The helping hand, unlike the electronic prosthesis, is cheap and relatively innovative. We made use of cardboard, duct tape, foam, iron wire, suction cups, and elastic to make a functional prosthetic arm. The cardboard acts as the palm and the arm, the foam serves as the fingers, and the iron as the joints in the fingers, and the elastics to hold the ends of the limb in place. After looking at criteria such as elegance, robustness, cost, resources, time, skill required, and safety, the advanced electronized prosthesis added up to 10.5 and the helping hand to 21, which made the helping hand a more favorable solution.
Hey, my name is Aakash and I am talking on why our product is unique. Product is unique because it's generic and it does not limit other prosthetic designers. And there are two patents that are very similar to ours. And one of them is joint control system, which uses muscles to uh, move the hands, and the other one is prosthetic hand, which is lots of mechanical parts like motors. They, but ours is a lot different from them, as ours is simple and it's not that complicated.
Hi, my name is Braxton Dula, and I'm going to be going over the competition for the helping hand. The first company on the list is the Prince Williams Orthotics and Prosthetics. This company has three types of prosthetic hands: the conventional model, which is controlled via straps and cables that attach to the arm. The second model is the myoelectric, which is an externally powered source, which uses sensors that go on the arm, and when the sensors detect muscle movement, the signals are transmitted to an onboard computer that controls the arm and the hand. And then their last model is a passive model, which is simply a cosmetic prosthetic that has no independent movement and simply looks like a hand. The helping hand is most similar to the conventional in that they both are more simpler, less advanced types of prosthetics, but the helping hand is superior in that it allows for more things to be done and does not require cables to be attached to the person. The second company is Babonic, which is a premier prosthetic company, and they make highly advanced hands that attempt to be as close to human hands as possible. But the trade-off is that they are very expensive, and the reason the helping hand is a better alternative is that the helping hand has a more medium match of affordability and usefulness. And the last company is Open Bionics, which is a new company, a startup open source that has been created recently with the goal of also creating an affordable prosthetic hand. However, the helping hand is superior in that while the Open Bionics has succeeded in making affordable hands, they are very limited in what they can do. Currently, there are only two models, one of which has a lockable thumb and the other of which has lockable fingers. So the hand's purpose is that you would move the hand or the thumb through any of the positions available. Usually there are 9 positions, and then you would lock it, allowing the hand to take a variety of shapes, whereas the helping hand has movable fingers and is more malleable in that sense.